integrate. So we got a product of two functions, and in fact there is no product rule, though we will get integration by parts, but looks like the outside function is just multiple of derivative of inside. So what is the derivative of 3t squared minus 12t? That's just derivative is 6t minus 12, and from this if we multiply this by 6 we get 6t minus 12. So exactly that. This means we can integrate this using u-substitution. Okay, so what we can do here is we assume this complicated function inside the radical sign is u. So let u be 3t squared minus 12t. Now integrate with respect to t, du over dt. I'm going to write over here. Derivative is 6t minus 12. Okay, now we solve for t, dt. So divide both sides by this. So dt equals du over 6t minus 12. With this, then this integral becomes t minus 2. Here is square root of, this is u, and dt is here. Since we have t minus 2, we can factor, and let me simplify one more step. So dt is same as du over factor 6 out t minus 2. So that's dt. So this dt is here, and we found that is du over 6 t minus 2. Now this t minus 2 quantity on the top and that's on the bottom cancel. This 6 we can pull all the way outside of this integral sign. So that's 1 over 6. So 6 on the bottom. And antiderivative of square root of u, which is u raised to 1/2. 1 over 6. Now we can use power rule. This is like x raised to 1/2 with respect to x. Okay, using the power rule, u raised to 1/2 plus 1, 3/2 divided by same thing plus c. Now let's simplify this and back substitute at the same time. So this 3/2, when we change this multiplication into, when we change this into multiplication, 3/2 becomes 2/3. So this is 1 over 6 times, this is 2/3, u raised to 3/2, and u is, by the way, 3t squared minus 12t. 3t squared minus 12t raised to 3/2 plus c. So the final answer is now, here 2 divides 6 3 times, so we get 1 over 3 times 3, 9, 3t squared minus 12t raised to 3/2, okay, plus c, final.